Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable light mode on Discord using your Android device. If you prefer a brighter, more vibrant interface, light mode is perfect for you. Let's get started with the steps. First, launch the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it to access your user settings. Next, you'll see a gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this icon will take you to the Settings menu, where you can customize your Discord experience. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Appearance. This section allows you to change how Discord looks and feels on your device, so it's important for personalization. Once you're in the Appearance settings, look for the option titled Theme. Tap on it to see your available choices. Here's the exciting part. Select the Light option to switch to light mode. Instantly, your Discord interface will transform into a brighter theme, making it more cheerful and easier to navigate in well-lit environments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled light mode on Discord. If you enjoy this fresh look, feel free to use it during your chats or gaming sessions. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.